Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in part 48 I will show you the AI face expressions. It's a pretty cool application where you can create different faces from an original image. As you can see, I already uploaded my image. So I just need to go to the apps and searching for AI face expression. And this is the application. And here we have two different options. We can upload the photo or just click something on the Canva or design and use this from the design. As you can see, it's already uploaded, and here we can choose between different faces. Some of them are locked only for a higher paid version, but the others are also really good. So I will use this thinking because there is a here the pose is also changing. So just click on it and just pause the video until the system generates it. So I just need to click on the add to design and send a feedback. I like it. And now I just increasing the size and a bit more. I said a bit more like this and see the final result. As you can see, some of the other colors like the sky and the sea is bit also change, but this is still okay for me. But the image is really changed, the face is changed, and even in this in this image, the pose is changed. So I'm really satisfied with this application. I really like it, and it's highly recommended to try. We have two tokens for free, so we can create two different pictures. And of course, if you try it and you are also satisfied with it, like me, you will buy tokens for sure. This application was also developed by the ep.io, and here you can see the website. I will add this link also to the description, but you can search for the application in the Canva directly, AI face expressions. Here you can see the pricing because the application is not free, you just have the two tokens, but here you can see you can buy it for by 5, 10 or 25 USD. You can buy 15, 50 or 200 credits, but you can see it's already have all these expressions, not only the basic ones. So this application is really highly recommended and doing a really good job. The final outcome is amazing. The quality is good. So that's worth it to try. At least try the two free tokens. You can play around it, then you will see how it works. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. Of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything on Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts list in a Facebook page, and of course in a TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. By the way, in the description you can find the links for my previous 47 episodes in this series, so you can see all the other AI tools what I try and recommend to use in Canva. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.